Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Carib Cement is reporting that its expansion project to increase capacity is on track. In a statement, the company's managing director, Jorge Martinez, says that civil works for the $40 million project are underway. This will result in a 30% increase in cement production.
When completed, this project will further reduce our carbon emissions and deliver increased output from 2,600 to 2,850 tons of clinker per day to meet the increased local demand for cement. We will also have the capacity to explore options for exporting to other countries within the Caribbean community.
150 skilled workers are working on the project. The expansion and increased capacity project will reduce dependency on cement imports and boost cement production by approximately 300,000 metric tons. One of Clarendon's leading businessmen, Courtney Murray, says he is less than satisfied with the state of the new leg of the highway, which links Maypen Clarendon to Williamsfield, Manchester. The highway, which was opened last year, will be free of cost to motorists until July. Mr. Murray is concerned that the lack of revenue is affecting maintenance of the highway.
My thing is that, if you notice the highway now, I guess because they're not collecting any revenue, it's not being maintained. I mean, it's clear to see that it's been over before, in short order you won't be able to see the signs. And you can definitely see the difference between the condition of the highway, the roads between where you have to pay and this one where you don't have to pay, because there's absolutely no maintenance taking place. You don't even see a highway patrol vehicle on the highway at any given time. I've never seen one anyway. There's police there, but even if you break down, there's no assistance. For a multi-billion project like this, in my view, you need to collect revenue in order to maintain it. And it's clear signs that as a result of no revenue being collected, the highway is not being maintained. There are dead dogs on the highway sometimes, there's a lot of debris, and as I say, overgrown.
The foreign exchange market closed the trading today with the US dollar selling for an average $154.62. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.08. The pound is going for $194.56, while the euro is selling for an average $170.73. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 5,752 points to close at 323,170 points. The junior market index advanced by 1 point to close at 3,793 points. 1&1 was the big winner today, followed by One Great Studio Company, KLE Group, Cargo Handlers, and Jetcon Corporation. Paramount suffered significant losses today to lead the losers. G West Corporation, Epley 7.5% preference shares, Cygnus Real Estate US dollar shares, and Lasco Financial Services were the other big losers. And that's Lasco Financial were the other big losers. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.